If you want to remove red eyes in GIMP quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method to fix red eye in just a few clicks, even if you're brand new to photo editing. This is a great skill to know, whether you're editing family photos, portraits, or any image where the flash caused that unwanted red pupil effect. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP tips and photo editing tutorials. It really helps the channel, and make sure you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's jump into GIMP. First, open the image you want to edit. Once your photo is loaded, the first thing we want to do is zoom in on the eyes so we can work precisely. Select the Zoom tool from the toolbox, or simply press Z on your keyboard. Then drag a box around the eyes to zoom into that area. Getting a close-up view makes the next steps much easier and helps you avoid affecting the rest of the image. Now that we're zoomed in, we need to select the red part of the pupil. For this, choose either the Ellipse Select tool by pressing E or the Free Select tool by pressing F if you want a more custom shape. Carefully draw a clean border strictly around the red portion of the first pupil. Try to keep the selection tight and accurate, because the more precise you are here, the better the final result will look. If both eyes need fixing, hold down the Shift key while selecting the second pupil. This adds the second eye to the same selection, so you can correct both eyes at the same time without repeating the process. Take your time with the selection, especially if the eyes are at an angle or the red area is uneven. Once both red pupils are selected, go up to the main menu bar and click on Filters. From there, move down to Enhance, and then choose Red Eye Removal. This opens GIMP's built-in red eye correction filter, which is designed specifically for this kind of fix. A preview window will appear, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see a threshold slider, and your goal is to adjust it until the red color disappears and the pupil looks natural and dark again. Usually, a threshold value somewhere between 0.400 and 0.700 works best, but every photo is a little different, so watch the preview carefully as you move the slider. If the threshold is too low, some red may remain. If it's too high, the pupil might look overly dark or unnatural. The key is to find that sweet spot where the eye looks realistic while the red reflection is completely removed. Make small adjustments and compare the preview until it looks right. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the fix. After that, press Ctrl plus Shift A to deselect the selection area. This helps you cleanly finish the edit and see the image without the selection outline in the way. Now zoom out and review the final image. Look closely at both eyes and make sure the correction looks natural. If needed, you can always undo and try the filter again with a different threshold value. But in most cases, this method gives a fast and effective red eye fix in GIMP. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove red eye in GIMP using a simple built-in filter and a quick selection process. It's a small edit, but it can make a huge difference in portrait photos. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.